underrated makeup products that you absolutely need to know about that you probably don't know about. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 insanely underrated makeup products that nobody, and I don't know why, nobody is talking about these, but these are seriously so good. They work so incredibly well. They're beginner friendly. They're just top-notch products and nobody is talking about them. First up, and oh my goodness, I have been talking about this product for the longest time. So this is the by Terry. Its official name, it's quite bougie, Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. This is number 1. It's a skincare serum. It's got rose stem cells in it. It's got some other really amazing, hydrating, really quite unique skincare ingredients that do beautiful, softening, hydrating. It's just like a big cuddle in a serum, honestly. It's great for your skin, but also it is a CC serum, so it is a color correcting serum, and this has to be one of the most flattering, beautiful products on the skin. I've got the shade Sunny Flash. The Sunny Flash one is absolutely my favorite. Like by far, it does come in 3 other shades. This gives you the most beautiful, glowy, flawless, bronzed looking complexion, but it is not sticky and it is not tacky. So there are lots of other products like this out on the market that promise to deliver lots of glow and hydration and, you know, give you that beautiful dewy look, but this does it without impacting the skin and without being sticky and basically horrible to wear. It is such a beautiful lightweight formula. It dries down to almost a powdery finish on the skin, like a powdery matte finish, and it gives so much luminosity to the skin. It is absolutely incredible. I also find that it minimizes pores and texture. You can wear this one powdered or unpowdered. Just everything about this is incredible. Next up, the Sigma Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Now these are a product that have been around for a really long time, but nobody ever uses them. I never see them spoken about on YouTube. I never see them in tutorials. I never see anybody mentioning them on TikTok or on Instagram. The formula of these are next level. So this one that I've got here is the Sigma Warm Neutrals, and I did actually manage to dig out a fresh one that I haven't gorged and ripped apart because mine are very well loved. Heaven, the ultimate everyday, day to night, and even bridal eyeshadow palette. The formulation of Sigma palettes is absolutely beautiful. Sigma did originally come out with the Warm Neutral palettes 6 years ago. Maybe it was 7 years ago, and they've recently, not recently, probably 2 years ago, honestly, reformulated, and they're even better than they were before. They are just so smooth, so buttery. The mattes blend like an absolute dream. The shimmers aren't chunky. They're just, honestly, these palettes are it. They are absolutely incredible and nobody's talking about them. Okay, next up is this concealer from Bare Minerals, and I'm not talking about their liquid concealer. No. I'm not talking about a cream concealer. This is a powder concealer. It is essentially a mineral powdered concealer. This stuff is phenomenal and an absolute must have, honestly, and especially if you get dark under eye circles. It essentially looks like a miniature mineral foundation. That's what it looks like. I have got the shade Well Rested. This is a full coverage concealer powder that doesn't crease, doesn't cake, doesn't settle, and just wears beautifully through the day. You can use this one on your skin on those no makeup days when you just got like a little bit of darkness or purple residue underneath the eyes. Dust it on your under eyes and it will instantly brighten and color correct in those areas. You can also use this in place of a liquid concealer. You can use it on top of a liquid concealer. You can use it underneath the eyes when you've finished your makeup and you're just finding those areas are looking a little bit dark. All of the purple, all of the blue, any dark under eye circles instantly gone. This stuff's incredible and it deserves hype. Okay, next up I want to talk about Ciate blushes. Why is nobody talking about Ciate blushes? Obviously everyone talks about NARS blushes, Milani blushes, Hourglass blushes, Dior blushes, and I get it. All of those blushes are incredible, but Ciate blushes, honestly, I reckon could take out all of the above, perform better, look better on the skin, last longer on the skin, and are easier to blend. These are freaking phenomenal. Now, this particular shade here, Date Night, is my all-time favorite, and you can tell from how extremely well loved she is. Like, she has been through it with me. I want to say it's a very similar formula to the Hourglass Ambient Lighting blushes. This gives, and I am wearing it on my skin right now, so you can kind of see it in action, but this gives the skin, firstly, the color of a blush, but it also gives it this beautiful photoshopped, glowy, poreless, powder-free, amazing texture. Like, my skin honestly looks better when I apply this blush than it does beforehand, and that's like unheard of with blushes because normally blush can come with a little bit of texture, a little bit of powderiness, sometimes a bit of chunky, glittering, you know, there's a lot of things happening. This on the skin, like where it is applied, it looks Photoshop. It just reflects light in a way that just makes your skin look perfect. And it's also got just the right amount of luminosity. I notoriously am not a fan of like really shimmery, wet looking blushes. I just find that they really emphasize texture, and I've got, you know, enlarged pores and texture on my skin. This gives the skin, like, I'm not wearing any highlighter, and can you see that very like subtle reflect on my skin? These are just phenomenal, and the formulation lasts all day once it is on the skin. I don't have issues with this one getting patchy, wearing off, fading, melting off, or anything like that. And the amount of product that you actually get in this as well lasts a really, really long time. Like, I've been going hard on this one for about 2 years, and I mean, she's no longer raised out of the pan like she used to be, but it lasts a really, really long time. And then last but not least, these lipsticks from Clinique. Literally, I don't even think I've seen one person mention these online. And I am just like, everybody is missing out. These are phenomenal. So these are called, it's a funny little name, the Even Better Pop Lip Color Foundation. Yeah, they got quite a big name. Firstly, the packaging is really beautiful. They come in these like little matte tubes. Each tube is color coded to the lipstick inside it. Silver, wind up bullet, beautiful. Like gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. But it is this formula that blows my mind. These have to be one of the most beautiful, hydrating, creamy lipstick formulas. Never settles in between my lips, never settles in the cracks, never leaves my lips feeling dry. They never bleed. They last really well on the lips even after eating. Like literally everything about this formula, in my opinion, is perfect. So I am wearing this shade here, Romanced, on my lips right now. They're certainly not like a glossy formula. They're more of like a satin. But if I wasn't looking in the mirror right now, I would not know I had a lipstick on. Like they're just so hydrating that they feel like a balm. You can barely tell that they are there. I never have to use a lip liner with them if I don't want to because they do not bleed. They are loaded with some really amazing hydrating ingredients. The formula's also got like a primer in them, and it just looks so smooth on the lips. Like it somehow minimizes texture. I cannot swear by these enough. And why is nobody talking about them? What's going on there? Because these are phenomenal. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 super underrated makeup products that they deserve a whole lot more love online, honestly. Let me know down in the comments, have you tried any of these? You've probably heard me raving on about these before on my channel. Let me know if you've tried them. Let me know what you think of them. Do you love them as much as I do? I'd also love to know if you are aware of another underrated makeup product or even an underrated skincare product. Comment down below, leave it down there. I'm writing a little shopping list of stuff to buy and stuff to try, so I'd love to know your recommendations as well. But I hope that you found this video helpful. I just feel like there are so many products out there, and certain products go viral, and in my opinion, a lot of the time I'm like, why is that going viral? Like it just doesn't seem worth it. And then there are other products like this that are totally underrated, that are just better than anything else out there. It blows my mind. But I love you guys heaps. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in my next one.